Here's a, a nice linear equation to solve. So as you can see with the arrows, you need to distribute that 2, and not just the 2, but distribute the negative 2 to everything there. So I would write it as 2, and then minus 2 times 4t would be a minus 8t, and then minus 2 times a negative 14, positive 28. Okay, equals negative 34. Now, let me just check, make sure everything's right. Yeah, I think that's right. So the 2 and the 28, they'll become 30, equals negative 34. And then let's subtract 30 on both sides. So I get negative 8t is equal to negative 64. And then I'll divide both sides by a negative 8. So I'll get t being equal to a positive 8, I think. And you don't have to, but you can check just to make sure you're right. You can put in an 8 everywhere you see a t. So 8 minus 14, is that equal to negative 34? Okay, so 2 minus 2. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 take away 14, I think, is 18. I think. Is equal to negative 34. Negative 2 times 18 would be negative 36. And 2 take away 36, yeah, negative 34. Good question.